Hey Wagwan, in this video you're gonna learn how to edit your profile on Boomplay, how to change your profile picture, add your bio, and a lot of stuff about your artist page on Boomplay. You're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit on the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. And on this channel we talk about how to better your craft as a musician. So if you're an independent artist, you can just like on clicking on the subscribe button, subscribe for more content like this. I'm KIDAAX, aka Superstar Trap Boy. Let's get into the video right away if you're interested. You have to do is make sure you uploaded your song to Boomplay, and you can't do that on the Boomplay app over here. You have to do that through a third party like team called CD Baby, Song Trade, and so on. But I've done a video on how to upload music to all platforms, including Boomplay, so you can check that out. I can also drop a card here for you to check that video out and learn how to upload your music to all major platforms, including Boomplay. Then after that, after successfully uploading your music to Boomplay, the next thing you have to do is to claim your artist profile on Boomplay. Grab next thing to do is to claim your artist profile on Boomplay. I'll link a card up here for you to watch the video on how to claim your artist profile on Boomplay. As you can see, this is my profile on Boomplay. I have my song 2 releases on Boomplay already. I have 2 songs on Boomplay already. You can check that out. You can stream them on Boomplay. KIDAAX on Boomplay. And don't forget to follow me on Boomplay too. Just click on the follow button, follow me on Boomplay. And let's go to the main thing of today. That's editing your profile on Boomplay. After releasing your music and claiming your artist profile, then you now have the access to the profile to edit the profile picture and the bio and everything. So after claiming your artist profile successfully, then you come to Boomplay for artists. After tapping on the icon, Boomplay for artists. Okay, as you can see, this is my profile, my artist profile. You can see 2 of my song over here. Last days, I have 12 plays on this and 1 play on this. Okay, to the main thing, to edit your profile picture, then you click on profile down here. Hope you can see this. So now to change, to upload, I can say I've uploaded my profile picture already. But if you are just uploading your own newly, just click on upload your image over here. Can you see this? Then you click on edit if you have to edit your bio. Thank you for watching this amazing video. Kindly help in liking this video, hit on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop new videos. Once again, I'm KIDAAX, aka Superstar Trap Boy. You can reach me on Instagram at KIDAAX_the great. I'll drop the link in the description. Also on Twitter at KIDAAX_clean. You can also search me on other social media platform. You can check the links in the description. And to meet in the next video. Peace.